Hi, welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to use the Wisp editor to write a blog post in the most delightful way possible. So in this video, we'll do three things, getting acquainted with the writing page, knowing the main editor and the commands that you can use there, and finally the publishing options to actually get your blog post out there. So coming into logging onto the Wisp platform, and if you click on write, you'll be brought to this area where you can publish your blog. So the main area is the title of my blog here, right? And when you hit enter, this is actually the main editor interface, and this is actually a very powerful editor because you can actually do many things here. So if you are writing your content elsewhere, say on Notion or a Word editor, you can actually paste it in here because the editor itself supports rich text. So this is what I mean, right? If I'm copying it from Word document, all the format will actually be retained over here. So it actually retains some of the styles over there, and that's how you can you copy and paste from somewhere else. But most of you would probably want to write your blog post on this page itself, and you can, right? So let's start off with some of the basic commands. The editor actually supports Markdown. So for those of you who are familiar with Markdown syntax, right, you can actually quickly turn, let's say, this title, this sentence into a header. Simply, put two hash, hit a space, and you can see that's turned into a title header 2 right now. If you want header 1, just put 1 hash and space, right? For header 3, 3 hash and space, right? And if you are looking to add point form, right, so you can use bullet point. That's a hyphen and a slash, hyphen and a space, right? And then bullet 1, bullet 2, right? And if you want a numbered list, so this is item 1, item 2, right? So all you need to do is just hit the number, put a full stop, and then space. Okay, so this thing supports most of the Markdown syntax. You should be able to do that. For those of you who don't want to deal with Markdown, there is a slash command. So at any line in front of in front of the line, just hit slash, and you actually see this slash command over here, where I can use it to turn into like a bullet list, right? Or I can turn it into a header 2, right? I'm just using Command Z or Control Z to actually revert the changes, right? I can turn it into a quote, right? I can turn it into even a quotes, block as well. Okay, so there's quite a lot that you can do here, right? So I'm just going to turn this in here. Now the next thing that you would like to do is probably upload images. So there's multiple ways you can go about uploading images. The first and the most straightforward is actually just copying images from the internet, right? So I copy from here, right? I go to where I want to paste it, and I type use Command V, right, to paste it in. So what it did there is actually inserting a placeholder first, and then actually uploading, and now the image is uploaded onto what you call a CDN, a content delivery server, where it can be served efficiently to computers around the world. So it's relying on Wisp infrastructure actually to deliver it to clients around the world very quickly. So that's the first way you can copy and paste. Another way you can upload images is to use the slash command again. So type slash, and then you can select images, right? And that's where I can upload a file from my computer, right, onto it. The third way that you can upload images is simply just drag and drop directly onto the web page. There you go, right? So this is how you can, do images. Okay, so once you're happy with the blog post that you have written, right, we'll now go into the publishing options, right? So this is the publish page where you can select which image you would like to feature it. So let's say I like this image to be featured. I click on it and you can see a tiny blue border around it, right? And that's where I can add a short summary of my article, right? And select any text, right? Or really create a sample tag, right? You can select multiple, right? And to publish it, hit on publish. If you like to backdate it, you can actually select a date in the past, or if you like to publish it in the future, you can select a date in the future. For now, I like to publish it immediately. So what I do is that I just hit publish and click on publish. Okay, so because that blog is connected to this one over here, you can see right away, right, the blog is available on this sample blog that I have over here. Okay, and I'm now going to show you how to unpublish, right? So let's say you would like to keep your article as draft, simply just save without publishing, and you'll see that now the blog post is gone from my blog. Okay, and finally, if you like to delete your article, you can click on delete over here and confirm that you would like to delete this article, and it will be deleted from your blog, right? You can see that it's no longer here. So that's it. It's a very quick way to introduce you to the editor. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, just let me know, in the comments below.